Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a 3-ship day here in Port Canaveral. As you can see, it looks like a very nice day, but as we get closer to sailaways, you're going to notice that the weather definitely takes a turn for the worst. If you're there for the live stream, you'll definitely know. If you haven't caught the live streams before, every weekend when we're here in Port Canaveral, we do live stream these sailaways as well as doing these videos. So definitely check those out if you haven't already. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below and leave a like to let YouTube know you enjoyed today's video. Anyways, again, MSC Seashore, Carnival Vista, and Star of the Seas are all actually heading out to their private islands: Celebration Key, Ocean Key, and Coco Cay. Key, Cay, argue about it down in the comments. The slow season is finally coming to an end here in Port Canaveral, as a 3-ship day is going to be very slow compared to what we're about to get here very soon, as we're going to start getting 6-ship days on Saturdays and Sundays each. So very much looking forward to it, and I hope you guys enjoy all of those videos coming soon too. But anyways, let's go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video as we have some sailaways under some pretty heavy rains. And that'll start to wrap up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I didn't get much of Seashore only because this final shot here that you'll see in a second was pretty much where I started to bail out. Very, very heavy rains, and I stood out there the whole time. Probably not my smartest idea, but I did it anyways for the stream. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, of course, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, I hope to see you guys in future live streams and here in future ship spotting videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.